Hello friends, welcome to H&N Health Tips. The refrigerator has now become an essential part of our busy life. But have you ever wondered how safe this is? It is always best to use food immediately after cooking. Since this is not possible in our current lifestyle, we are storing it in the fridge. This is not to say that this method is 100% safe. The temperature of the refrigerator, the power supply, the handling of the refrigerator, and the way the food is stored inside the refrigerator are factors that affect the safety of the food inside the fridge. Therefore, it is advisable to use food in the refrigerator most days, especially for meat. When the food is hot and placed in the fridge, the outer part of the food will suddenly get cool and the interior will stay hot for a while. It accelerates microbacterial activity. Hot foods can increase temperature inside the refrigerator quickly, which causes the other foods stored in the fridge to get damaged. So, when the food is hot, it is best to put it in small containers and store inside the fridge.